do that too when you, I'll just get ready. All this is getting sanded so it's smooth on the inside, and it goes a light satin argent silver on the inside. They don't crumb the back side of these bumpers. We put it all in, sanded down, put it in primer yesterday. Just gonna sand everything smooth, reprime it, sand it smooth, and get it ready to put paint on them all.
Alrighty. So if you want to show how that works, Josh.
Yeah, hold on.
Yep. So Josh has gotten the key cowl all working. This is the Chevy trunk latch, and then
the old one was broken. That's pressed in and it holds a spring in, a return spring, so we're good now on that note.
And then he also painted all the details on the inside of these. These are the
Front side markers?
Front side markers. And then you have your interior dash centerpiece.
Oh, I'm just cleaning. I'm getting ready to put this in, so all of this has been glued in, and got little stuff on it. I glued it all in and left it sit for a couple days, so it was really in place before I put it on. But like, we got to take these little factory tabs off. They're injectors from the mold being made. You got to take them off and sand them a little bit, make them disappear. All right, place. All right, it's all going in place. Needs to sit into its framing just right. Ready to go in the car. Okay, what we're doing here, put this over, it's got a little teeny lift that goes around the edge. So you snap it over, but then one person holds it, other person runs up and down with a dowel and roll that edge over the rest of the way so it bends in and holds around this lift better. I cannot make it come off now. It's really on there. I was spraying window pressure. Alright, going in with the windshield. Soaked it all up. Oh, let me get my bottom corner in. I'm stopped there. Got your bottom corner in. Boom.